trigger vibrations that the soul can feel. With our boots on the ground, driving through the concrete grid where the engines never sleep, carrying a conscious touch that runs 1,000 fathoms deep. They try to cloud the atmosphere with artificial noise, but the amplifier wastes the tone and balances our joys. Feel the acoustic pressure rising up inside the door. Get ready for the moment when the heavy frequencies pour. DeepBass vibrations taking us so far. 2026 Rasta Vibes, running through the dark, leaving on a highway, an eternal spiritual spark. Along this neon street, we're riding with a clear intention, making the journey sweet. The words are our direction, the rhythm is our shield, until the inner sanctuary is perfectly revealed. It's perfectly revealed. Let the low frequencies handle everything you know. The entire world is clear when you let the bass. The asphalt hums beneath the spinning wheel. We trigger vibrations that the soul can feel. The asphalt hums beneath the spinning wheel. We trigger vibrations that the soul can feel. Oh, the asphalt hums beneath the spinning wheel. We trigger vibrations that the soul can feel. No electronic illusion can stop this native sound. Oh, we're cruising through the dark with our boots on the ground. Driving through the concrete grid where the engines never sleep, carrying a conscious torch that runs 1,000 fathoms. an eternal spiritual spark. No time for hesitation along this neon street. We're riding with the clear intention, making the journey sweet. The words are our direction, the rhythm is our shield, until the inner sanctuary is perfectly revealed. Let the low frequencies handle everything you know. The entire world is clear when you let the bass line flow. Oh, DeepBass vibrations taking us so far. 2026 Rasta Vibes running through the dark, leaving on the highway an eternal spiritual spark. Windows all down, the wind is mixing with the groove, giving you the frequency that forces you to move. No looking backward now, the highway stretches clear. We're pushing through the boundary, erasing all the fear. The speedometer is rising, but my spirit is at peace. Watching all the static of the busy city cease. We carry ancient wisdom inside a polished mix, mending broken perceptions that the system couldn't fix. The headlights cut a path through the heavy valley mist, following a rhythm that is impossible to resist. Yeah. Like DeepBass Reggae EDM running on through the car. Powerful car music taking us so far. Through Rasta Vibes rolling loud in volume 1, keeping the system tracking till the rising of the sun. My DeepBass Reggae EDM running on through the car. Powerful car music taking us so far. Through Rasta Vibes rolling loud in volume 1, keeping the system tracking till the rising of the sun. We don't need no validation from the things they try to sell, when the clarity inside the sound is working like a spell. So let the amplifiers warm the cabin from within, as the true awakening of the frequency begins. Feel the tires hum against the concrete floor. Open up your mind and let the rhythm pour. DeepBass Reggae EDM running hot through the car. Powerful car music taking us so far. True Rasta Vibes rolling loud in volume 1, keeping the system tracking till the rising of the sun. DeepBass Reggae EDM running hot through the car. Powerful car music taking us so far. True Rasta Vibes rolling loud in volume 1, keeping the system tracking till the rising of the sun. yeah. Windows roll down, the wind is mixing with the groove, giving you the frequency that forces you to move. No looking backward now, the highway stretches clear. We're pushing through the boundary, erasing all the fear. The speedometer is rising, but my spirit is at peace. Watching all the static of the busy city see. We carry ancient wisdom inside a polished mist, mending broken perceptions that the system couldn't fit. Yeah, the headlights got the path through the heavy valley mist, following a rhythm that's impossible to resist. Let DeepBass Reggae EDM running on through the car. Ooh, powerful car music taking us so far. Ooh, true Rasta Vibes rolling loud in volume 1. Ooh, keeping the system tracked until the rising of the sun. Yeah, yeah. We don't need no validation from the things they try to sell, when the clarity inside the sound is working like a spell. So let the amplifiers warm the cabin from within, as the true awakening of the frequency begins. Yeah, yeah. Feel the tires hum against the concrete floor. Open up your mind and let the rhythm pour. DeepBass Reggae EDM running up through the car. Ooh, powerful car music taking us so far. Ooh, true Rasta vibes rolling loud in volume 1. Ooh, keeping the system tracking till the rising of the sun. Yeah, yeah. Let DeepBass Reggae EDM. Oh, powerful car music. Oh. The world outside is rushing, but in here we slow the pace, letting the subwoofers align the inner space. The world outside is rushing, but in here we slow the pace, letting the subwoofers align the inner space. DeepBass Reggae EDM vibrating through your very core, a Rasta meditation eating straight down to the floor. Dashboard displays a gentle neon blue embrace as we navigate the quiet streets and leave a lasting trace. There is an absolute medicine hidden inside the low frequency, restoring our awareness to the way it ought to be. Get ready for the shift, feel the review start to dance. We plunge the entire vehicle into a conscious trance. DeepBass Reggae EDM, keeping your focus in line. Welcome to volume 1, cruising to the dark, kindling within your soul an eternal Rasta spark. No complicated theories, no heavy words to fight, just absolute alignment with the rhythm of the night. The music is a shield that keeps the heavy stress at bay, washing all the clutter of the modern world away. Shake the dust from off your heavy chest. Give the overworking mind a much deserved rest, 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 rest. Pam pam to calm music flowing through your spine. DeepBass Reggae EDM, keeping your focus in line. Welcome to volume 1, cruising to the dark, kindling within your soul an eternal Rasta spark. Let the powerful car vibrations open up the road. Yeah. Leave the worry far behind, leave the daily greed. We're cruising with the melody that satisfies our need. The ocean breeze is warm, the satisfies our need. The ocean breeze is warm, the stars are burning bright. We're riding on a wave of pure, unadulterated light. Yeah! 20v26 configuration. Let the powerful car vibrations open up the road. Leave the worry far behind, leave the daily greed. We're cruising with the melody that satisfies our need. The ocean breeze is warm, the stars are burning bright. We're riding on a wave of pure, unadulterated light. Accelerating gently as the evening mist clears out. We travel with assurance, removing every doubt. The stereo is bumping out a joy for Rasta strain, washing all the modern stress and temporary pain. We're moving through the evening, the collective mood is high, lifting our expectations straight up to the sky. DeepBass Reggae EDM, making spirits rise. Powerful car music underneath the skies. 2020 tweets, Rasta Vibes cruising, setting everyone free, vibrating with the power of complete harmony. Every mile we cover is a celebration sweet. Feeling the foundation shaking right beneath our feet. The music is an engine that is powered by the soul, bringing us together, making our intentions whole. Feel the rhythm revving inside the stereo grid, unlocking all the beauty that the busy daytime hidden. DeepBass Reggae EDM, making spirits rise. Powerful car music underneath the skies. 2020 twitch, Rasta Vibes cruising, setting everyone free, vibrating with the power of complete harmony. Leave the worry far behind, leave the worry far behind. Yeah, leave the worry far behind, leave the daily greed. We're cruising with the melody that satisfies our need. The ocean breeze is warm, the stars are burning bright. We're riding on a wave of pure, unadulterated light. Accelerating gently as the evening mist clears out. We travel with assurance, removing every doubt. The stereo is pumping out the joy for us to strain, washing all the modern stress and temporary pain. We're moving through the evening, the collective mood is high, lifting our expectations straight up to the sky. Accelerating gently as the evening mist clears out. We travel with assurance, removing every doubt. The stereo is pumping out the joy for us to stray, washing all the modern stress and temporary pain. Accelerating gently as the evening mist clears out. We travel with assurance, removing every doubt. The stereo is pumping out the joy for Rasta strain, washing all the modern stress and temporary pain. We're moving through the evening, the collective mood is high, lifting our expectation straight up to the sky. Accelerating gently as the evening mist clears out. We travel with assurance, removing every doubt. The stereo is pumping out the joyful Rasta strain, washing all the modern stress and temporary pain. We're moving through the evening, the collective mood is high, lifting our expectations straight up to the sky. So leave the worry far behind, leave the daily greed. We're cruising with the melody that satisfies our need. Leave the worry far behind, leave the daily greed. We're cruising with the melody that satisfies our need. Leave the worry far behind, leave the daily greed. We're cruising with the melody that satisfies our need. The ocean breeze is warm, the stars are burning bright. We're riding on a wave of pure, unadulterated light. Accelerating gently as the evening mist clears out. We travel with assurance, removing every doubt. The stereo is bumping out the joy for us to strain, washing out the modern stress and temporary pain. We're moving through the evening, the collective mood is high, lifting our expectations straight up to the sky. Leave the worry far behind, leave the daily greed. We're cruising with the melody that satisfies our need. Leave the worry far behind, leave the daily greed. We're cruising with the melody that satisfies our need. The ocean breeze is warm, the stars are burning bright. We're riding on a wave of pure, unadulterated light. Accelerating gently as the evening mist clears out. We travel with assurance, removing every doubt. The stereo is pumping out the joyful Rasta strain, washing out the modern stress and temporary pain. We're moving through the evening, the collective mood is high, lifting our expectations straight up to the sky. Accelerating gently as the evening mist clears out. We travel with assurance, removing every doubt. The stereo is pumping out the joyful Rasta strain, washing all our modern stress and temporary pain. Accelerating gently as the evening mist clears out. We travel with assurance, removing every doubt. The stereo is pumping out the door for us to strain, washing all the modern stress and temporary pain. We're moving through the evening, the collective mood is high, lifting our expectation straight up to the sky. Accelerating gently as the evening mist clears out. We travel with assurance, removing.
The asphalt stretches out into the vast and open space. We find our true direction in the rhythm's warm embrace.
A timeless Rasta frequency that the modern world can't erase, restoring complete balance to the human race. Guided by the dashboard light and steady high country like a long forgotten dream. The subwoofer balances the pressure in your chest, giving the heavy, overworking intellect a rest. No confusion can filter through this protective sound. When the roots of the culture are completely profound. And steady high beam gleam, we travel through the country like a long forgotten dream. The subwoofer balances the pressure in your chest, giving the heavy, overworking intellect a rest. No confusion can filter through this protective sound. When the roots of the culture are completely profound. Find DeepBass Reggae EDM for the conscious mind. Powerful calm music, leaving stress behind. 20 sweats, Rasta Vibes, floating smoothly through the dark, igniting every soul with a divine eternal spark. We trace the line of heritage that stays forever young, singing out the message that the older souls have sung. So let the amplifiers handle all the heavy waves as we cross the boundary into a peaceful state. Listen to the silence hidden deep inside the sound, where the positive vibrations are always found. I DeepBass Reggae EDM for the conscious mind. Powerful car music, leaving stress behind. 20 sweats, Rasta Vibes, floating smoothly through the dark, igniting every soul with a divine eternal spark. The asphalt stretches out into the vast and open space. We find our true direction in the rhythm's warm embrace. The asphalt stretches out into the vast and open space. We find our true direction in the rhythm's warm embrace. A timeless Rasta frequency that the modern world can't erase, restoring complete balance to the human race. Guided by the dashboard light and steady eye beam gleam, we travel through the country like a long forgotten dream. The subwoofer balances the pressure in your chest, giving the heavy, overworking intellect a rest. No confusion can filter through this protective sound. When the roots of the culture are completely profound.
Guided by the dashboard light and steady high beam gleam, we travel through the country like a long forgotten dream. The subwoofer balances the pressure in your chest, giving the heavy overworking the little rest. No confusion can filter through this protective sound when the roots of the culture are completely profound. I DeepBass Reggae EDM for the conscious mind. Powerful calm music, leaving stress behind. 2020, 2026 Rasta Vibes, floating smoothly through the dark, igniting every soul with the divine eternal spark. We trace the line of heritage that stays forever young, singing out the message that the older souls have sung. So let the amplifiers handle all the heavy weight as we cross the boundary into a peaceful state. The asphalt stretches out in the vast and open space. We find